Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at TA coin. In the past few days, the crypto market is experiencing a huge crash down. And that is, by the way, we'll be looking into TA coin in particular. TA coin has been crashing down. The TA coin is known as Truster AI. It is a smart contract exploit. TA coin, the token for the Truster AI project. Let's see why this particular coin is crashing down, and I myself has invested so much in this very coin, and why do all of a sudden the coin started trading in between 0.06052 to 0.6838. Now look at this, okay, to this, and it may interest you to know that this particular coin was doing quite well in the few weeks back. Let's see what really happens to this coin, and why is this coin dilapidated, and why is this coin crashing. Okay, so let's look at its previous move. This coin has done perfectly well in the past few weeks, or should I call it a month. Come and look at this. This happened September 2nd, roughly a month now. This happened September 2nd, 2025. Or is it going to wait till a new month, October? Are we hoping something strong there in October? Now this is what happened. This coin accelerated from 0.04 to 0.38, more than times 3 of this movement, more than times 3 of its low price. And now this particular movement lured a lot of investors into this particular coin, and today a lot of them are lamenting. Why? Because the coin started crashing all of a sudden. Okay, the coin crashing all of a sudden. So are we expecting something good from this coin at October? And what really happens to this particular coin? Okay, this particular coin claims that a lot of attackers created a fake liquidity. They created a fake liquidity pool to siphon funds from the user's wallet. You see? And those users has already invested so much in this particular coin called TA, the Truster AI. So the invasion of these attackers made this coin poor again. The attack led to initial losses estimated around 600k USD. Okay, it's actually what brought it down, and eventually stopping at approximately 615k USD. It means that's lost a lot. And who are those people that lost a lot? Only the investors. If this interests you, before we continue, you can do it to subscribe to this amazing channel if you haven't done that. Like the videos, and as well share the videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this. And your like and your share with your subscribers will keep this particular channel moving. So please do it to subscribe, like, and as well share, so that we can keep doing this all the time. And from this, if you watch carefully to the end, by the end of this very video, you should know either to invest in this particular coin or not. So what are you waiting for? Support, let's dive in. So the TA token plummets from our initial stage of 0.01. Okay, initial stage of 0.01, and this is where the journey begins. From 0.01 go to 0.04. From there, it took a triumph with a very strong movement. All right. So following the attack, everything collapsed, and now is actually and really struggling. Okay, it has dropped a lot from this 0.017 to 0.06. Okay, and some few points. So let's look at some of those key details. Okay, the key details. The attacker involved an unverified smart contract on the Binance Smart Chain (BSC). The issue was exacerbated because many users had pre-approved permissions for the fleet contract, allowing the attackers to access their tokens. Alright, so a lot of users allow those attackers, gave the permission to those attackers to access their tokens, and all of a sudden they have happened to lose a lot. And their losses that the investors incurred affected this particular coin seriously. Okay, and currently the coin is actually battling for survival again. So are those people going to boost their coin, or they are still waiting or looking for are new investors to invest in this particular coin to move on? So the TA coin on different chain showed different price, with TA base trading 0.14, while the TA on BSC traded at 0.09. This is as a result of those attackers. Okay, so as a result of those attackers.